Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, we have to have developer in the tab menu. I have already added. If you have no developer, right-click anywhere in the ribbon, customize the ribbon. This window will open. Pick the developer, and then OK. Go to developer. From controls section, click on insert. Here we have different options. This is checkbox and click on it. As you can see, the cursor is changed into plus sign. Click wherever you want to insert the checkbox. Here you can move it. Delete the default text. If you want to add to the rest of the cells, hold the bottom right of the cell and drag it down. Then you can tick it. If you want to remove, right-click on the box and then cut. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.